We've all heard at least one horror story about driving in winter weather. Whether it's losing traction and sliding into an intersection, hitting black ice at speed on the freeway, or abandoning a vehicle that got stuck in a snowbank. We get it. Most of us avoid driving in snow altogether one way or another. And for good reason, it's stressful. Only two things separate skilled snow drivers from the rest of us: knowledge and preparation. In the video, you'll learn both how to prepare your vehicle for the worst winter weather and the specific skills and strategies you'll need to know for driving on snowy roads. First things first, prepare your car for winter conditions. If you want to learn how to drive in the snow like a pro, the best place to start is at home in your driveway. Before the first flurries ever hit the ground, we're talking about two things here: maintenance and preparation. Every winter driving checklist should follow the steps below for a successful season behind the wheel. Make sure your maintenance is up to date. All the driving skills in the world won't do you a bit of good if your car can't reliably get you from A to B. During the warmer months, a breakdown is a minor inconvenience. But if your car fails on a snowy back road after dark, the stakes are considerably higher. Be particularly mindful of your tires. Your vehicle's ability to maintain traction in snowy conditions depends on several factors. But the first and most pressing is always where the rubber meets the road. Check the tread of your tires and ensure they've got plenty of life left to give. The depth and quality of your tire tread determine how well your vehicle can grip shed snow. So if they're nearing the end of their life or have any observable cracking or damage, replace them. You'll also want to keep a close eye on your tire pressure, as falling temperatures have a habit of stealing a few psi while you're not paying attention. Keep your tank at least half full. Running out of gas in bad weather can be particularly dangerous. But there's actually another reason you should keep it topped off if you'll be driving in snow. Gasoline is heavy, and the more you've got in your tank, the more your car weighs. Increasing the weight of your vehicle puts more weight on your tires, which in turn helps keep them from spinning and losing traction on snow and ice. Put together a winter roadside emergency kit. Don't leave it up to AA or your local tow truck driver to make life and death decisions on your behalf. You should put together a roadside emergency kit specifically for driving in snow and keep it in your car until spring rolls around. This kit should include everything from emergency food and water to tools and gear to get your car back on the road should you slide off or experience a breakdown. How to drive in the snow. Now that your vehicle is properly prepared for a snow day, it's time to learn the basics of driving in snow. There are no well-kept secrets or expert-level skills here. It's all about taking it slow, planning ahead, and keeping your cool. Braking, turning, and accelerating. There's an old saying in the car racing world that applies to pretty much everything you do when driving in snow. Don't do anything to scare the car, and the car won't do anything to scare you. That's excellent advice in general and particularly good advice for how to drive in snow. What we mean here is that you should avoid any abrupt actions when speeding up, slowing down, or going around turns. Ease onto the gas when you speed up and ease back off it when it's time to slow down. When slowing down, apply the brakes smoothly and gradually, building pressure as you get a feel for how much traction is beneath your tires. Give yourself as much space as possible. You've no doubt heard this one before for driving in the rain, and it applies to snow as well. In the rain, the rule of thumb is to give yourself double the usual distance between the vehicles around you. In the snow, make that triple for both. How to handle a skid. For front-end skids, in which your front tires lose traction and the vehicle begins to run wide in a turn, you'll want to smoothly let off the gas pedal to allow your car to regain traction. For rear-end skids, in which the back tires break free and begin to drift out fast and furious style, you'll want to turn the car in the direction of the skid. So if the rear-end brakes lose traction and drift out to the right, you will want to ease off the gas and slowly turn the wheel to the right to keep your car on its intended path. Build momentum before approaching hills. Anytime you see a long and fairly straight incline coming up, it's best to build up some momentum before starting up it. In snowy or icy conditions, your car loses momentum gradually as you travel uphill if traction is less than ideal. Pro tip: practice your skills in a safe place. Take any opportunity you can to learn how to drive in snow and ice in a controlled environment. Find a snow-covered and empty parking lot and spend time practicing turning, braking, and accelerating to get a feel for how your car reacts to low traction situations. Our goal here, once again, is to get as smooth as possible and to find the limits of traction for your vehicle so you know how to avoid them. Essential gear for driving in snow. So there you have it, the bare essentials for getting from A to B safely in the snow. While the above tips and tricks are a solid foundation for any driver braving icy roads this winter, there are a few basic items we recommend adding to your vehicle to make driving in snow as stress-free as possible. Snow tires. Your average 3-season car tire is designed for maximum traction on wet or dry pavement but isn't ideal for extreme cold and the limited traction scenarios that come with it. Winter tires feature extra siping and optimized rubber compounds for added grip on snow and ice and improve just about every aspect of winter driving performance from cornering grip to stopping distance. Snow chains. If you don't have winter-specific tires, or even if you do but want added traction, snow chains are a tried and true solution for driving in the slushiest snow and slickest ice. SOG folding shovel. Getting stuck in the snow is no fun, but staying stuck because you can't dig yourself out is even worse. We recommend keeping a compact snow shovel like this tough folding shovel from the folks at SOG inside your vehicle just in case. Snow Joe Ice Scraper. Get a jump on your defroster with this handy ice scraper from Snow Joe. It's small enough to fit in your glove box but strong enough to break through even the thickest frost and ice thanks to its wide brass blade that's tough on ice but won't scratch or scuff your vehicle's windows, mirrors, or windshield. Roadside Emergency Kit. Truth be told, every driver should have a roadside emergency kit in their car year-round, but it's especially crucial when weather conditions are potentially life-threatening. We're fans of this extensive roadside kit from the folks at AA, which includes a medical first aid kit as well as a handful of roadside essentials like jumper cables, an air compressor, warning triangles, and good old duct tape. Thank you everyone for watching us till the end. It would be a great pleasure for us if you were a little help with this video. Comment us below.